Hey guys, we're back on the trail. We're at a Skull Rock Trail today. It's in Pacific Palisades, California, kind of off of PCH a little bit. And I can just tell you right away, there's a lot of people here. Right. Yeah, it's a popular trail.
Yeah, and it's going to be a 4-mile trail with 1,141 foot elevation gain. It's going to be a loop. It's actually an extension of the Temescal trail loop, which is about like a little over a mile. So we're going to do the whole loop to get to Skull Rock and then loop on back.
And we're going to continue picking up trash like we did last week. So let's go on the trail and see what happens. When you enter the park off of Temescal Canyon Road, there's a parking lot on the left-hand side, or you can keep going up the street, and there's another parking lot up ahead. The whole park is $12 a park in. After you park, you go back on the Temescal Canyon Road and follow the dirt road.
Hiking tips. Bring water, tell a friend, stay on the trail.
Alright guys, on this trail, we're actually going to go counterclockwise because on the way down, you're able to see the ocean. Here at this point, we're going to go to the right. There's actually 3 trails. There's one right there, there, and there. We're heading to the right to go to Skull Rock. This trail, you can actually do 2 ways because it's a loop trail. So you can go to the right or to the left or counterclockwise, but we're actually doing counterclockwise because when you come on down, you actually see the ocean. She's already picking up trash. She even picked up dog poop, and the dogs aren't allowed on this trail. So please follow the rules. The right of way is really beautiful here. A lot of brush because it's close to the ocean. And as we said before, bring your mask because this is one of the popular trails. And this trail has a lot of shade and it's close to the ocean. So you can come here any time of the year. It's shady on this side of the trail, but towards the back end, you'll run out of shade. When you get here, you're gonna head to the right to continue on the trail. And this trail is actually, it's pretty marked. You won't get lost. If you guys ever watch Jurassic Park, that's kind of how it feels out here. Get ready for the Velociraptor to come out. One thing we have noticed on this trail though is really narrow and there's a lot of people. So you get really close sometimes. So you just gotta make sure you stand to the sides when people are passing. If you want to avoid a lot of people, come during the week, avoid the weekends. This trail is considered moderate, so it's not that hard. It's pretty easy.
You guys, there's millions of people here. It's probably gonna take a little longer to finish the trail just because we have to keep pulling off to the side. So far, the trail's been pretty easy to follow.
And so far, we haven't seen any bugs, no mosquitoes or anything. We did just see a sign for rattlesnakes, but we haven't seen any, thankfully. Because if you take the cactus, it's gonna be an expensive carne asada.
A lot of cool rock formations over here. This waterfall is like nothing I've never seen. Alrighty guys, so we've reached this marker here, which is a little baby waterfall. Imagine it'd be nicer with more rainfall. Right now we just get a baby. Here the trail is going to curve to the right. It's a pretty arch.
I think the hardest part is right at the end because the elevation gain is pretty quick, so you'll feel it.
Here at this wall to the right. Ew, it got dark. So ominous. That's pretty. Here at this trail marker, we'll keep going straight to Skull Rock. To the left is where we'll actually come back out from Skull Rock and to finish the loop. Before venturing out on a trail, we recommend doing your research and just being prepared what items you might need, how long it is, the weather, if it's dog friendly, if it's closed, because sometimes the trail's closed. So just keep that in mind.
Hopefully there's not a lot of people. This trail right now is too empty, so everybody's at the rock. Alright guys, here we're gonna turn to the right. We're almost there. We can see the rock. When you get here, you can either go straight. There's a little trail up ahead that goes around the corner up a little hill, or you can take a left right in here, which we're gonna do to take you to the rock. Alright guys, we're back on the main trail. Now we're going back to the parking lot. We're gonna see how the ocean looks heading this way. It's overcast, so it might not look that great. It's pretty cool up here though.
Pretty pretty.
Here, you can take a left right on this trail here.
The clouds look super pretty here. At this point, you're gonna see two markers here, and this one's Bienvenida Avenue. So we're actually going to keep left. Alrighty, we've reached a marker here that says Sunset Boulevard. We're going to make a left. Beautiful. Imagine living there.
Chump change.
Chump change, guys.
Look guys, more cactus for la carne. Here, you gotta take a right and it will be the end of the trail. We made it to the end. It's an interesting trail. It's really beautiful up there.
Mm-hmm.
But the only thing about this is just too many people.
Yeah.
We recommend coming during the week.
Or like early morning or something.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Because we came around 10 and it was just too much. I mean, even now, we were up there for a bit just recording and stuff, and there's a ton of people.
Yeah, it felt like an amusement park.
So, I mean, we do recommend it, but maybe during the week, not the weekend. But difficulty-wise, though, it's pretty easy. It's not terrible. Maybe like a medium, because the incline is pretty good, but it's not terrible.
Yeah.
And it's pretty cool.
Yeah, the skull rock actually did look like a skull.
Yeah.
And just climbing around up there and venturing about, it was fun.
Yeah. But as we always say, though, hey, we recommend it. But I also want to say thank you for all the subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and leave a comment of anything that you guys want to see before you try out. And then leave a like, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.